In this video, I will show you how to transfer USDT from Binance to any wallet. So let's get started by going to the Binance. Then you want to go to the wallet in the bottom right. Here you need to select withdraw since you are sending it to wallet. Then click withdraw again. And here select USDT and click on send as crypto network. Now you need to select your wallet address, so go ahead and copy your USDT address from wallet and then paste it there. Now make sure to select tone on both wallet and exchange. It has low fees and fast service. Then if you have Memo in the wallet, paste it, otherwise leave it. And then select amount you want to withdraw. And that's it guys. Make sure to like and subscribe.